In this HostGator review, I'm going to show you everything that you need to know about HostGator, including the speed test, ease of use, customer support, pricing, and pros and cons of HostGator. So make sure to watch the full video till the end. Also, if you're ready to make a HostGator purchase after this review, then consider purchasing it from the link in the description below this video and get yourself a discount if one's available. HostGator is one of the most oldest and reliable web hosting companies. It was founded back in 2002 in a dorm room. In 2012, HostGator was acquired by EIG, Endurance International Group. EIG is a massive corporation that owns brands like Bluehost, Constant Contact, iPage, and HostGator. First, let's talk about HostGator pricing. I will be comparing their shared hosting plans as it is the most popular and best for beginners, although HostGator does offer other types of hosting like dedicated hosting, reseller, and VPS hosting. You can directly visit the HostGator pricing page from the description link. And here you can see the three plans: Hatchling, Baby, and Business Plan. The starting price is only $2.75 per month. And with this plan, you can create only one website. You can create a free domain name for 1 year and you'll get free SSL as well. But if you want to create more than one website, then I recommended you to choose their business plan, as with this plan you're getting more great features like you can create unlimited websites, you'll get free dedicated IP address, and free SEO tools as well. Also, remember that their biggest discount like $2.75 per month is only for their 36 months plan. So if you choose 24 months plan, then you've to pay $3.45 per month, and $3.95 per month if you choose their 12 months plan. I always recommend you to choose the longest 36 months plan to get the best discount, as HostGator offers you 45 days money back guarantee, so if you're not completely satisfied with their hosting, then you'll get the full refund if requested within the 45 days of purchase. Now let's talk about HostGator ease of use. Right away from their home page, you can see it looks very easy to navigate with the custom interface compared to the cPanel that a lot of other hosting providers use. But if you ever wanted to manage your site with cPanel, you can just click their button, and it will take you to your normal cPanel setup which you are used to. So installing WordPress is easy enough from the dashboard. Also doing other kinds of stuff like installing free SSL and creating a free email account is easy from the dashboard. Overall, I like that it's simple to install your WordPress site, and have the option to access the cPanel is also very handy for experienced WordPress users. And they mislead you on things like setting up your free email address. They tend to hide the free stuff and pack the interface with too many upgrades and ads because we think it is a well-designed backend. Now let's talk about HostGator speed and performance. So after I install the basic WordPress site, I also added some design elements to it to increase the page size. We also going to install some free plugins to speed up the website. First is WP Fastest Cache, which is for speed optimization, and the next one is the Short Pixel, which is for image optimization. And lastly, we will install the free Cloudflare app, which will also increase your website performance with their CDN. Then I went ahead and tested out the speed of my website using GTmetrix. And the result is 3.9 seconds, which is not fast enough. Google also recommends a site to load in under 3 seconds, so HostGator also missed this mark in a fair way. I have also been monitoring the stability performance of HostGator with Uptime Robot, and we can report that their uptime for the last 30 days is only 99.895%. This is way below our standard of 99.95% uptime and even HostGator's uptime guarantee of 99.9%. So HostGator speed and performance are not really great. Now let's talk about HostGator customer support. HostGator provides 24/7 customer support through email, live chat, and phone support. With regards to their response time, we contacted him at 3 different times of the day to make sure we get an overall average and not just the bias fast response time during their off-peak hours. The average of those 3 times turns out to be around 4.5-minute wait, which is more than acceptable. Overall, I would say their support was average. It was nothing great, but it wasn't the worst either. They had a decent response time. Now let's talk about of pros and cons of HostGator. So the first pro is their simple and easy to use dashboard, which is best for beginners as well. Next, their support response time is also decent. Next, they provide free site migration features. And last is their 45 days money back guarantee. Talking about the cons. So the first con is their page load speed. It is slow for 3.9 seconds. Next, they didn't include the free automatic backup feature. And last is they hide free options and show upgrades and ads on their dashboard. Now let's talk about who should choose HostGator hosting. So overall, HostGator is one of the cheapest web hostings you can choose. They have prices and also offer great features like a free domain name, free SSL, and 45 days money-back guarantee. So this is my recommendation for you. If you're looking for the cheapest web hosting with a free domain name and SSL but you don't care about the best speed at all, then you can choose HostGator. Also, if you're ready to make a HostGator purchase, then consider purchasing it from the link in the description below this video and get yourself a discount. You can subscribe to this channel to stay updated with more reviews videos like this. Thanks for watching.